Hi there. I started the video above and I realized I didn't get to tell much about myself due to the information I wanted to share. So this video is more of an introduction on myself since I didn't get to do much on the video above. So as stated before, my name is Brittany Flandrick and I'm from New Richmond, Wisconsin. I've been around New Richmond for a really long time, basically since I was in fourth grade, and then I moved around for school, but I really love New Richmond and I would really like to stay here for a long time. My college journey was kind of long, so I started with graduating from high school in 2013, and then from 2013 to 2014, I was at UW-Barron County to complete my generals, or some of my generals, and then I transferred to UW-River Falls. And from UW-River Falls, I started my first semester, and then I had gotten into a car accident. And due to this car accident, I ended up having to take a break from my education to heal and to work. And so then I returned to my educational journey in 2016 at Wisconsin Indian Head Technical College. And when I returned to school, I decided that if I wasn't going to do my elementary education right away, that I wanted to start with a base. And so I started with an early childhood base. And when I started the classes, I ended up just falling in love with early childhood education and all the great things that is early childhood education. So as of 2018, I have an associate's degree in early childhood education. My major is elementary education, entering UW Superior, and then my minor is early childhood. Right now, I am in my second semester into UW Superior, and I have the remaining of my my elementary education part of the degree. As I stated, I live in New Richmond, and I live with my boyfriend of 3 years and his daughter, and we have a great time. Actually, I really love my little family, as I call it. My stepdaughter's name is Lilith, and she's 8 years old, and I get along very, very well with her, and we have a lot of fun together as well. My parents live about 8 minutes from here, so about every other weekend my mom comes and steals Lily, and my boyfriend and I laugh about it because my parents were nervous about being grandparents, and here they are, they're just stealing her every other weekend. So it all worked out, and she has a great time. After my degree is done, I have a couple plans. So as I stated, my major is elementary education and the minor in early childhood. My plans is I had thought about getting another minor, so a minor in art or a Montessori accreditation. And if you don't know what Montessori is, it's a type of early childhood program. It's more nature-based. I would definitely look up this because Montessori education is amazing. And then I either want to be a 4K kindergarten, first or second grade teacher district, or I would really like to open my own Montessori program. And those are things I plan to do in the future with my degree. My plan for this course, or even my goal for this course, is I want to learn about being a better teacher. I always thought to myself that being a teacher is really about learning new things every day. It's about being passionate about what you love and teaching others to do what they love and to help them to be better people. And so I plan to do that, and I want to be in this class, and I want to be able to take this information and to apply it to all those things. And that's my goal for this class. Thank you so much.